There's a big lie on the Facebook groups that I've been seeing and other places on the internet that you can make a lot of money if you just let these people market your product, your course, your coaching, and you just be on easy street. It's a lie. Ask yourself, would those people market your course using their money for 50% of the proceeds? I bet the answer is no. You don't have to pay people to market your course or your coaching. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how you can do so organically without a lot of stress or hassle. Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Henry, and I help beginning course creators create fantastic courses that sell by applying proven principles without a lot of technical jargon, stress, overwhelm, or without spending a lot of money. Now, you're going to put your time into building a course. Obviously, you want it to sell. You can't help people if they don't see the course, right? Well, organic course marketing is a skill and an art, and as you do more of it, you'll learn that there are certain things that help more than others. Writing good copy, for example, for your posts, and doing videos and getting in front of the camera and getting comfortable. The more you do it, the more you're going to be comfortable doing it. But the big lie out there is that we can market whatever you've got, we'll market it for you, and you'll make all this money and everything will be lovely. It's just a lie. They won't invest their money to get half of your money that they create because they know it. There are 3 lanes of traffic, if you will, that you need to think about in doing your organic marketing. The first lane is what I will call the prospect lane. The prospect is not ready to buy, not really ready to listen, has some curiosity. Think about it like the ham and egg breakfast. The chicken is involved, but the pig is committed. Well, they're sort of like the chicken. They're involved, they're interested, they're snooping a little bit, but they're not anywhere near ready to buy. They're a prospect at this point. The second lane, the middle lane of traffic, is the lead stage or lead lane. These people have shown interest in what you have to provide them and have given you their email address, for example, in exchange for a lead magnet or in exchange for a free webinar or in exchange for an ebook. These are leads that now you need to nurture those, right? And then the third lane is that red hot lane of traffic with people who are ready to buy your course or your coaching program. Now, there's things that you want to do at each one of these stages. For example, in the prospect lane, what you're going to do is, first of all, decide who your ideal student is. We've talked about this before, or your ideal client in your micro niche. Then you're going to polish your message. You're going to develop your message to a point that it's your elevator pitch, so to speak. What sets you apart? What makes you different? What makes you better? And then third, you're going to pick the media upon which you're going to post and start to develop your organic traffic. Once you get leads, you've got to nurture those leads. You're going to give them outstanding information, and you're going to give them all kinds of messages that are helpful to them in the stage of where they are. You're going to become the expert that these people want to see their next post. And the way you're going to do this is kind of threefold. First, you're going to write a lot of content that provides them value. You're going to answer their questions and give them value. And they're going to start thinking, gosh, if this person's giving all this away, how great is what they've got to offer going to be, right? Second, you're going to develop a relationship with these people by telling your story. You're going to talk about where you were and how you got to where you are and the bumps in the road and, the imposter syndrome you overcame and time management issues, all of those things that make you sort of a friend, so to speak. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to click on your name and on your post. They're going to go check out your page on social media. And on that page, you can have a link to your offer. Not bad, huh? So when you think about this, you're nurturing these students or these potential students, your leads. And then also during this stage, you're going to think about and craft your conversion strategy that you're going to apply in the next stage, that third lane. The third lane is that red hot lane of people who are ready to buy your course or your coaching program. In that third lane, you are going to, first of all, decide on your conversion strategy and get those people converted to customers. Once you convert them to customers, clients, students, you're going to give them a world-class experience. And you're going to then increase the value of each client, customer, student to you by getting them involved in the next level or the next level. Some people call it a stairway of increasing value. And the third thing you're going to do with those customers after you've given them this world-class experience is to get referrals, preferably on video. They'll be your ambassadors. They'll sell your course or your coaching program for you by giving you those good reviews, those good interviews, those good recommendations, those referrals. So think of it as a three-lane highway. You have prospects that you want to turn into leads. You have leads that you want to turn into clients ready to buy. I'd like to send you my 3x3 marketing strategy cheat sheet. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can send me an email with 3x3 in the subject line, and I'll send you my cheat sheet. Hope you found value in this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you'll get notifications when we release new videos.